Hey, so today I'm just going to walk you through the Triggerfy template that we use every single time we launch a Triggerfy campaign. This template allows you to send to both platforms, Here, Reach, and Instantly. We do use both. The reason being is because we send valid emails to Instantly and non-valid emails to Here, Reach. But the template will stay the same. You just want to be careful when you first start off with this template that it is on auto run. You want to turn this off the first time you use it and manually run the rows yourself so you can kind of see how it works. So all this data in the yellow is going to auto populate by the webhook in Triggerfy. The next stage is setting up a DNC. You can or you cannot do this. It just really depends on what you want to do here. You can just leave it blank if you're not setting up a DNC. The next step is it will write all the records to another company table. The reason we do this is to save money on credit, as we might have two or three, contacts at each company, and we only want to do an enrichment on, one of them to qualify that company, saving us, three times the cost. This is again going to auto populate everything in yellow. And then in here, this is the only part you have to edit in this table, which is essentially your company qualification. You're going to come into here and you're going to use the template that I've given you in this guide to edit the company qualification template. Essentially, what's going to happen here is it's going to run this specific prompt and it's going to decide if this company is in your ICP or not. And if you fill this out correctly, it should run with about 95% accuracy. After all this table has run, the next step will be it will look up the exact rows in that table and tell you if this company is ICP. So obviously you have contacts in this table. It'll run it on the companies. It'll tell you if the contact at this company is in your ICP. The next step is obviously to check if the seniority or the titles are correct. All you want to do is here and come into this white column here, type in the job titles that you accept, and again, this seniority filter will run by itself. And that is pretty much it. The next steps here, it will clean the job title, clean the company name, clean the first name. It will find the relevant emails. It will check the status of the emails, and then you can add to either instantly or here each to set up your campaign.